Four stories moving AI and chips right now: a $12 billion stake, a rejected buyout, a brand new AI router, and a very public denial from Nvidia. Let's get into today's briefing. Here's what we're covering. Marvell hands Google a massive chip stake worth billions. SpaceX's rumored AI coding buyout gets flatly denied. Ramp launches its own AI model router to rival Stripe. And Nvidia pushes back hard on a leaked China chip report. Marvell just gave Google the option to buy $12.2 billion of its own stock, an expanded custom chip partnership that runs all the way through 2033, covering everything that plugs into Google's TPU ecosystem. That option covers 59 million Marvell shares at just over $206 each. Hit the purchasing targets, and this single deal could be worth $120 billion in revenue for Marvell by 2033. Bloomberg reported SpaceX approached the $40 billion AI startup Cognition about a buyout. CEO Scott Wu denied it publicly, saying the company isn't for sale, just a week after SpaceX closed a $60 billion deal for the rival tool Cursor. Cognition's CEO didn't mince words when he shut the rumor down on X, calling the whole report flatly untrue. Corporate card company Ramp just launched Router, its own AI model switching tool, letting businesses move between OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Nvidia, xAI, and 4 other providers through a single API, free through the rest of 2026. And Nvidia flatly denied a fresh report that it's quietly preparing a China-only AI chip for year-end shipment, built on inference technology licensed from Grok. It's the second time this year Nvidia has shot down a China chip story. Its statement was blunt: no LPU sales in the China market today, and no China-specific LPU product anywhere on the roadmap. That's the rundown. Marvell's stake could be worth $120 billion by 2033. SpaceX's buyout rumor got a hard public no. Ramp's chasing the AI router race against Stripe, and Nvidia keeps denying its China chip plans.